Hey guys, John here from Bob Jane T-Marts. I'm here at Hammer 4x4. I've just recently dropped a brand new Monster Raptor to get some accessories done. I'm here with Mark, the marketing manager for Hammer 4x4, to obviously talk about what he's going to be doing. How you going, buddy?
There you go. So we're putting on the Atlas Series Bullbar. We're also doing the 3-piece underbody protection, which includes the bash plate, the Night Series Sportsbar, the Nova Series Rearbar. We're also putting on the Rearbar 11XP winch and the laser lamp grill kit.
So stay tuned, boys, and see the transformation.
Hi, it's Mark from Hammer 4x4. We just finished the Next Gen Raptor on behalf of Bob Jane T-Mart and Monster Wheels. So we put on the Atlas Series Bullbar, which is full ADR approved and airbag compliant. It has sequential lights, daytime running lights, and a fog light. We've also got the laser lamps in grill kit. We've placed on here the Rearbar 11XP. So we've also placed on the Hammer Night Fury Sportsbar, which also has integrated lighting systems, also brake lights and reverse lights. We've also placed on the Nova Series Rearbar, which comes with license plate lighting and also reverse lighting.